Presenting the LG Ultrafine 27-inch monitor in white color. It comes with 4K UHD resolution, making it suitable for gamers and designers. With 4K UHD resolution, this monitor is designed to deliver clarity and vivid details on a large screen. The LG 4K IPS monitor has a color-calibrated display with over 99% coverage of the sRGB spectrum to reproduce highly accurate colors across a 178-degree wide viewing angle. The monitor is also compatible with HDR10, offering enhanced colors and contrast for an immersive visual experience. This LG gaming monitor comes with Radeon FreeSync that minimizes blur, judder and ghosting during fast on-screen movements to give you smooth gameplay. It also features Dynamic Action Sync that minimizes the input lag while playing games to give you a better experience. The monitor comes with black stabilizer that brightens up even the darkest corners, giving you better visibility in games. It also comes with a customized modes for games that lets you choose between FPS and RTS mode. It also lets you adjust and optimize the settings for any type of game. The monitor has an easy user interface with simple and intuitive controls. This LG 4K monitor is compatible with the latest HDCP 2.2 for displaying 4K content from streaming service and game console. It also comes with a VESA wall mount option. The monitor has two HDMI ports, one display port, and one headphone out port for easy connectivity. The monitor comes with stand, power cord, and connectivity cables included in the box. This monitor comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to the product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
This black Samsung 23.5-inch curved LED backlit computer monitor has an ultra-slim and sleek profile that comes with Full HD resolution. With Full HD resolution, you can see fine details and textures with vivid colors and clarity. The 23.5-inch Full HD monitor comes with a 16:9 aspect ratio that provides clear and immersive visual experience across a wide viewing angle. The 1800R curvature of the screen is inspired by human eye and provides a truly immersive viewing experience that lets you enjoy panoramic views while you work or play. Samsung's active crystal color technology lets you experience vibrant and vivid colors. The high contrast ratio delivers deep blacks and bright whites so you can clearly see even in the darkest or brightest scene. The Samsung monitor comes with AMD FreeSync technology that allows you to see the fast on-screen motion clearly and smoothly with less motion blur, judder and ghosting. The Eye Saver mode optimizes your viewing comfort by reducing blue light emissions and flickers, allowing you to use the monitor for long hours without eye strain or fatigue. The Eco Saving Plus feature reduces screen brightness to save power. The monitor has one VGA port, one HDMI port and one headphone port for easy connectivity. This monitor comes with power cable length, D-sub cable and quick setup guide. This Samsung monitor comes with 3 years brand warranty. You can avail EMI options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.